Hi, I am Cheyenne Lupton, and this is my first video for Exam 5. This is on phylogenetic trees. For example, if we were to start out with the original idea of ways to listen to music, there are many ways this could be branched off. The different ways to listen to music are called OTUs, or operational taxonomic units. This is usually separated based on differences in DNA sequences, but in this case they are separated using phenotypes. And this can be used to find species or individual viruses or even different alleles within a species. It would first branch off into pre-recorded and live music. Concerts are the only type of live music, and because they only share one trait with the rest of the forms of listening to music, it would make concerts an outgroup. An outgroup is a group of organisms or items that doesn't really belong with the rest. Because there is an outgroup, this tree can be considered rooted. As well as concerts being an outgroup, live music is considered anagenesis because there is no branching into different species. The next split would be between digital and physical music. The most recent common ancestor or most similar trait is that physical and digital music are both pre-recorded. I branched physical music into disc or no disc. In the physical category, discs were separated into portable and non-portable, which ends at record players and CDs. The no-disc category was separated into small and big, which turned into cassettes and 8-track tapes. The common ancestor between disc and no-disc would be that they're both physical types of music. The discs, no-discs, as well as physical music would be considered internal nodes because there's a split, but that is not the end result. On the digital side of things, I branched digital music into whether songs are chosen at random or if you can pick the songs you listen to. The chosen songs were branched into whether you could buy or stream the music. Buying the music ended at iTunes, where streaming branched into whether streaming was free or if you had to pay for it, ending in Spotify and Apple Music. The common ancestor between iTunes, Spotify, and Apple Music is that they are all chosen songs. Random song selection was split into whether it was only accessible locally or worldwide. Locally ended at AM/FM radio, while worldwide ended in Sirius XM. The most recent common ancestor is that they are both random selection of music. Random selection, streaming, and chosen songs are all examples of eternal nodes here. Looking at the entire tree, you can see that lots of cladogenesis is going on. Cladogenesis is when the tree splits into two or more species. You can see how music can be categorized by phenotype, and this can be used for any type of animal or species.